Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this pattern. This pattern can be used in your baby sweater, lady sweater. This is a lace stitch pattern. You can use this is only 8 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast on multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. Sorry. So for the demonstration, I have 21 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 3 times 6, 18 plus 1 extra stitch, 19, 2 edge stitch, 21. So row 1 right side, knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch slip on the right side and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SS key. Slip 1, knit twice, slip 2, knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SS key. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SS key. Again, repeat that again. We have 2 more repeats. Knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SS key. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SS key. Last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5, knit all stitches. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, edge stitch slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and yarn over. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over. Again, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, and yarn over. Again, knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, and we have done 3 repeats. And last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 8 rows, row 1 to row 8, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.